was my mentor when I came. I knew absolutely nothing about pumping oil, despite the fact that I grew up in the town. They've been doing it for generations. So I had to learn as I came. There were all kinds of people giving me information that had nothing to do with reality. They just wanted to see what would happen. And this guy was great. He actually helped me a great deal. And it's he who taught me how to make packers for oil wells. This is something I still do. The wig on the tank is because the top collapsed and we were afraid of the ice and snow and the rest of it in the winter, so we put this on top. We're getting a new one fabricated for the top, but it hasn't happened yet. The side walls are much heavier than the top was, and it was galvanized, so the tank should last longer. But I apologize for the wig. It's not that attractive. There are two things happening here. One is a trail, and a trail takes us back in a figure eight, and at the far end you come to the creek, and just across the creek was the Vaughan well. That was the first flowing well. And then as you're traveling through on another loop of the creek, you're passing by a place where there was a spring back in the 1850s. It's called the spring forever. I had the location surveyed in the modern day, and the location is still in the middle of the creek. So the creek hasn't moved that much, I guess, but the oil is no longer coming up. So we have a trail which goes off to the right. We built a bridge across the creek so that people could do that, and that's straight out there. And then to the left, there's one of the last two flowing wells of 1862 that was still going in 1863. And Sir Sanford Fleming came and did a map of them, and so we should go over and look at that first.